For something that plays such a critical role in our day-to-day lives, it's hard to believe that printer technology hasn't changed in 20 years. No evolution, no breakthroughs, no eureka moment. Inkjet is still slow. The printhead uses only a few nozzles. It's not tuned for demanding office use, and its moving parts wear out fast. Laser takes too long to start from sleep mode, which hurts business productivity. It's slow to print in color. It uses too much energy to print effectively in today's world. And toner dust is messy and expensive. It's time for a change. Introducing printers powered by MEMJET patented Waterfall technology. The printhead doesn't move back and forth. Instead, paper moves under the printhead and is covered in ink from edge to edge in just one pass without additional heat or pressure. Yes, this is real-time printing you're seeing. This new technology is based on MEMS, or micro-electro-mechanical systems. The result is no moving parts, less ink used, and the world's fastest printing for less money. When you create a printhead as fast as MEMJET's, you need a super fast controller chip to drive it. And since one didn't exist, we created it. The result is a high-speed print pipeline that achieves 60 page per minute speed. This gray bar shows the 11 ink delivery chips that are uniquely aligned across the printhead. They control the processes for each of their 6,400 color ink nozzles, which means over 70,400 of them per printhead deliver 700 million drops per second to flood the page with a waterfall of ink for rich, beautiful color. MEMJET inks are unique too. Their water-based 4-color CMYK ink formulations are specifically designed to optimize MEMJET printhead performance and reliability. No other printers in the world can match the combination of speed, quality, and cost-effectiveness of those powered by MEMJET technology. This isn't just a new printer. This is the Eureka moment.